All right, we have another dresser drawer that's falling apart. This is an antique dresser drawer. You see where somebody tried to fix it before and it's falling apart. Gotta get this nail out of here. But here's the question: what if you don't have a hammer? Well, if you have a crescent wrench or adjustable wrench, you can fold it up. Lightly tap with it. And begin working it out little by little. Pause that for a second. Then once you adjust your adjustable wrench, you can actually use this to help pull this out. This came out extremely hard because it's ribbed. Somebody was trying to make sure this didn't fall apart after he fixed it.
Joke's on them.
It still fell apart. Now this, gotta try to manhandle this piece of wood back into these cracks. You can see there's cracks here that it's supposed to fit into. There we go. This been fixed before. So we use excessive amount of super glue so it clogs everything up. Here he goes. Kind of back into a track where it's supposed to be. It won't come into this one the way it should. You can see this sucker's kind of broken. Wonder if we can get a screw in here to hold it.
Yeah.
Problem is, this wood is so thin. You can see it's so friggin' thin that it took it. I'm kind of surprised it actually took it. The whole thing, as you can see, it's just falling apart. Can you see this big cracks right here?
Yep.
Oh, everything, even the end board, is cracked. You know what I mean?
Yep.
I'm trying to put another screw in down here to pull it together. Probably somebody comment right now, it'd be easier to just make another drawer. And if you're a carpenter, that'd probably be true. So this video is for a homeowner who's just trying to fix some piece of crap. So if actually you're correct, well, that's not what this video is about. This is about trying to
Salvage what you already got.
yeah. Got these little blocks here. I'll put that in the corner here. And try to put a screw in from the end and from the side. Got that in from the side. So the end, I guess, I guess it's the end, right? This is side.
Guess it depends on which way you're looking at it. So is it some sort of hardwood or something?
Yeah, this is definitely a hardwood. Hard to tell. Exactly because somebody varnished it. That's how exactly. It's definitely. Oh, if I could guess, this is definitely a cherry block here. This could be a piece of pine that somebody stained to look like cherry. Dang.
Yep.
This itself looks like it actually is cherry. It's so brittle, I would actually
Believe it.
believe it. Put one of these on this end. Once again, we're gonna.
I guess it makes sense because it doesn't seem like a while ago cherry was pretty popular.
Oh yeah, cherry is very popular. Harden Furniture up in Camden made her whole line out of cherry. For the most part. So yeah. And if you're wondering, these little blocks were actually in the drawer. That seemed to stable it up quite a bit. Now you could also
Do it from the back.
grab a screw each side, right?
Yep.
Like I said, be easier to just get a new drawer. You gotta see how easy that sucker cracks. You go from just about straight enough to that one also cracked. This sign that these screws are almost too big for this, but at the same time, heck you gonna do? You know what I mean?
Yep.
No, this definitely isn't falling apart now. I'm not sure if it'd hold your bowling ball collection, but if you had socks and underwear in there like a normal person, be great for that. So that's how you can. Got a handful of screws, a screw gun, and a couple little pieces of wood. And actually get this back up and work it again, so that it will be usable. This would be considered an antique. By most people, this sucker, without lies, probably 75 to 100 years old. Probably some antiquer crying and butchering an antique, but that's how many cures we're given. I don't worry about getting this and put socks back in it. But anyways, here's another way to emergency fix a dresser drawer. You could also, if you're really worried, you could put 2 more of these in the top corners and screw in there too and give it a little extra support. I'm actually pretty confident with this right now, but this seems like it's for normal use. So, look pretty good. Peace.